everyone, and welcome back to the English Dojo podcast. I'm Sarah, and today we're learning how to make hot chocolate. Not only will you learn how to make it step by step, but you will also learn some useful cooking-related vocabulary. So, let's get started. Hot chocolate is a warm, sweet drink that's perfect for cold days. It's made with milk, chocolate, and sometimes a few extra ingredients to make it even more delicious. In this episode, I'll teach you an easy recipe and explain all the steps in clear English. If you would like to read this recipe and the transcript of this episode, please click the link in the description. Here's what you need to make 1 cup of hot chocolate. 1 cup of milk. You can use regular milk or any other option of milk like oat milk or almond milk. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and if you want to put something on top of the hot chocolate, you can put marshmallows, whipped cream, or even a little cinnamon on top. Step 1. Heat the milk. Pour the milk into a small pot. Put the pot on the stove and turn the heat to medium. Warm the milk slowly, but don't let it boil. Step 2. Mix the cocoa powder and sugar. While the milk is warming, take a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix them together with a spoon. If you want to add more sugar to make it sweeter, you can. Step 3. Combine the ingredients. Slowly add the cocoa and sugar mixture to the warm milk. Use a whisk to stir everything together. This helps the cocoa powder dissolve completely. If you don't have a whisk, you can also use a spoon to mix the ingredients. Step 4. Add a pinch of salt. Put a tiny bit of salt into the pot. It might sound strange, but salt makes the chocolate flavor pop. And step 5. Serve and enjoy. Pour the hot chocolate into your favorite mug. Add toppings like marshmallows, whipped cream, or a little cinnamon. Take a sip and enjoy the sweetness. Did you know that hot chocolate has been around for thousands of years? It started with the Aztecs and Mayans in Central America who drank it as a spicy, bitter drink before sugar was added. Over time, it became the sweet and creamy treat we know today. That's it for today's episode. Now you know how to make a perfect cup of hot chocolate and have learned some new cooking vocabulary. Try this recipe and tell me how it turned out. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who loves hot chocolate. Thanks for listening to the English Dojo podcast, and I'll see you next time for some more English tips. Bye!